is the familiar sight of, me hooking myself in the pants. No, there's the familiar sight of mangroves, so I think you can figure out where I am. And we're just gonna get to it. Nothing fancy. I am in Florida, in case you didn't. I think you did. So, first thing I'm chucking is, hook myself again. That's 2 hooks in my clothes, 1 cast. Let's start with the silver spoon and see what the redfish situation looks like. Okay, 2 hooks in the pants, 1 backlash, 1 cast. Awesome start. And today I just gotta search. So it'll be familiar sights, familiar lures. Because when I come here, I only come here a couple weeks at a time. I know, dumb tourists. But I'm stuck with what I get. With whatever the weather is, with whatever the fish are doing, whatever conditions I got going. Last year was a red tide. Last February was red tide. Last November was just after a hurricane. So I never know what I'm getting. So whether it's going to be good or bad. What the story is, I see a lot of tarpon cruising around here, which is great. And I will definitely get around to chasing those guys eventually. Alright guys, last time, as you can tell, I got skunked. Today, I chased tarpon and used this candy that I know works pretty good. Got Dad in the boat. He's going to be dragging shrimp for whatever wants to bite that. Redfish.
Fish, maybe.
I'm going to chase him when I see him, but not a blind cast too. I've gone to a lighter setup. Broke the last rod, so got a nice new rod, Shimano. That's not the issue. I've dropped the line down to 15 pound. Just so I can use some lighter lures, get some extra casting distance. But still got the 30 pound leader. Oh yeah. That goes good now. I don't see any tarpon though.
Huh?
I don't see any.
Nope.
We need this water to start moving. Oh, jeez.
What?
I wasn't ready. I got smoked.
I'm sorry?
I wasn't ready. I got smoked there. There's a fish, finally. Finally. Yeah, I think it's probably a little snook. Yeah, little snook. All right, fish on the board. Just a little guy. Feisty.
Hold them up. Hold them up.
All right, there's the one that breaks the ice. Probably about 16 inches, I'd say. Pretty little snook. Ciao. We gotta see what that is there. Probably a gar, but... Oh, there he is, on. Yeah, I don't know what it is. Not very big. Not very big at all. Oh, this could be my bait for tonight. Oh, it is too. Oh, damn. Yeah, it was a ladyfish. That would have been awesome for bait. There we go. Something little again. What do we got this time? Oh, a little red. Yep. All right, get a little red now. Of course, on this. I don't cast it for 3 hours on day one at all. And I put it on, and you wonder why I put it on all the time. That's why. As it catches fish, I've said it over and over. Anyway, nice red. Little red. Let's do that again. Okay, now I can't find them. Thought I was gonna get all crazy there after those fish. And now we can't find them. What's Dad got back there?
Not much.
Let's get a couple more if we can. And I'll still chuck this little DOA. And when I'm good and satisfied with numbers of fish, we'll crank up the size. Because I probably can't complain about where all the big fish are until I start throwing bigger baits. There we go, fish. What have we got here? Looks like a little red. It's a redfish. Like I said, I can't, not gonna complain about the size of the fish just yet until I get my fill of them. And we'll put on some big baits and go for bigger fish. But for now, I am definitely enjoying just catching. There we go, little guy. Very baby snook. All right, very baby snook. But they seem willing to bite. That is the key to the whole operation.